Bob focused on performance upgrades in Vegas, but when he moved to a small dealership in California, he changed his focus to Legend suspensions in order to make his living. He's the first dealer staff to earn over 100 Legend hexes in 18 months as part of our Legend Rewards program. It all started with his experience with the Legend Performance Tour. The ride quality was so impressive, he immediately placed a stocking order. Bob says the Legend countertop display gets the customer's attention and serves as his training aid as he talks through the benefits of the product and company. This plants the seed in every customer that comes to the dealership. Bob then offers to install rear shocks so the customer can take a test ride on their own bike.
There's only so much you can say to somebody. They have to actually try it. I've never had anybody tell me to take them off. I don't want them.
Bob upsells the customer to include Axos since the system is designed to work together. He also upsells service customers, even calling them when their bike is on the lift, letting them know that now is the time to do suspension. He is also reaping the benefits of word of mouth.
I did 5 trikes in 2 weeks because I did one. And that guy told his friend, and next thing I know, I have 5 trikes in a 2-week period where I did an air ride on every one of them.
Bob keeps all fitments in stock so he has exactly what customers need without notice. He says impulse buyers are still the most common.
Probably the most important upgrade you will ever do on your motorcycle is suspension. It's about safety, it's about handling, it's about comfort. It's something that they will feel every time that they ride. I really talk it up. But everything that I say is not just trying to sell suspension. Everything I'm telling them, it's that. In my tone and in the product, pretty much sells itself.